Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check Bybit KYC verification. Let's begin. So once you've logged into Bybit and you still haven't verified your identification, then what you can do is if you go to the home page, it'll tell you complete verification to deposit and win $5,000 welcome gift. So you are going to press on verify now. So it says there level 1 verification benefits. Services after level 1 verification, you are going to be able to deposit, to trade, P2P trading, earn, and then 50k USD and then 1 million USDT. So you are going to press on verify now. Now, in order for the KYC verification to be successful, what you're going to need to do is you need to verify your identity either with your ID card, passport, driver's license, or resident permit. So I'm going to choose ID card, and then you have to choose your region of issue. So then I'm going to press on continue. Afterwards, it'll ask you to take a photo of your front ID. So it says there front of ID. Take a photo of the front side of your identity document. Then once it's done, it's going to ask you to take a picture of the back side of your ID. Then after that, it'll ask you to take a photo of yourself to make sure that your picture matches with the one in your ID document. And there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, and thank you for watching.